along with all the other cations in your soil. Once there's more hydrogen, because remember hydrogen is a big boy. So once it gets stuck around, let's say this is your soil particle. So this is your soil particle where you're putting your fertilizer, your calcium, your magnesium, your potassium that you have bought with cash. But now the rain comes, which is a natural phenomenon. And because the rain is a bigger particle, I'll put it as particle or atom or cation. So the hydrogen displaces the other ones from this side, and it remains attached on your particle, and then the rest of them usually leach out along with your soil. With your water. So what happens then? Now coming to your question is that now you have fertilized your soil, which you are not aware is acidic, or you are aware but you are not liming it. But now when you are actually putting in your plant, the plant does not get the fertilizer that you applied because it has actually drained. So that's now the reverse process that happens, whereby you do not get value for your money. The fertilizer that you bought that's expensive, you don't actually get it giving you the yields that you expect.